Hello students, today we are going to discuss a topic from chapter 5th, that is adaptation of class 6th biology. So basically we have to discuss desert plants. Okay, for today our topic will be desert plants. Now basically beta, what desert plants are? Desert plants are those plants which have adapted themselves to survive in hot and dry conditions. Okay, you can see here desert plants, they have the ability to survive in hot and dry regions. Means they can grow in poor water conditions. So basically the desert plants, they have adapted themselves to survive in hot and dry areas or dry regions. Okay, they have the ability to grow in poor water conditions. It means they require a very little amount of water. Okay, if the amount of water available to these plants is less, still these plants, they are able to grow, they are able to survive. So among the desert plants we have two best examples. First one is cactus and the second one is opuntia. So cactus and opuntia, these two plants are best examples of desert plants. Now beta, what we are going to discuss, what we are going to study is how these plants, they have adapted themselves to survive in such harsh conditions, or how these plants, they have developed some modification or some changes in the body, and these changes leads to their survival in such harsh condition. Okay, so the stem of the cactus have the ability to store water. Okay, and this stem is having such capability because the stem is spongy. So the first plant which we are going to discuss is cactus. So basically stem stores water. So these types of plants in which the stem have the ability to store water are known as succulents. These are known as succulents. SUCCULENT, succulent plants. Very important term. Succulent plants are those plants which have the ability to store water in their spongy stem. Okay. So I will tell you regarding one important term, that is xerophytes. 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 Xerophytes are the plants which What are xerophytes? Xerophytes are the plants which grows in dry areas. Okay. Next beta, this cactus, it has developed some modifications in the body due to which this cactus is able to survive in the desert region. So what are these modifications or what are these changes that I am going to tell you one by one. So just listen to me very carefully. Modification in desert plant, that is cactus. So I hope all of you have seen cactus plant. Okay. These are the spines. It is stem, which is spongy. So first point is leaves are reduced to spines. So in cactus, the leaves, they are reduced or they are modified or they are changed into spines. So why they are changed into spines? Because in the desert the amount of water is very less. Okay. So to reduce the loss of water from the body of cactus plant, their leaves, they have changed into spines. The meaning of spines is कांटे. उनकी जो पत्तियां हैं वो किसमें चेंज हो गई हैं? कांटों में. ऐसा क्यों हुआ है? ताकि उनमें से कम अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर क्या बाहर आए. ओके. सेकेंड बेटा, this green stem, okay, this is the stem, spongy stem. This stem is covered by a chemical which is known as cuticle. So this stem, that is green part, is covered by a layer of chemical which is known as cuticle. So this cuticle is thick. Again, the cuticle, it prevents the loss of water from the body of cactus plant. Okay. Third important modification is the roots. The roots of the cactus plant, it goes deeper into the soil in search of water. What I told you? I told you that in desert the availability or the amount of the water is very less. So if the deep will go deeper inside the soil, so there are chances that they will get water. Okay, so in search of water, their roots, they go deep into soil. So these modifications, all these modifications in the cactus plants helps cactus to survive in the desert area.